Hello guys, welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect or link your Octa FS account to MetaTrader 5 or Octa Global. Octa FS recently changed their name to Octa Global. So if you are searching for how you can actually connect these two accounts and execute your trade easily, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get that done. Okay. Now, first thing you need to do if you are trading with Octa FS broker or Octa Global broker, then you must have signed up, do your verification, and then the next thing you need to do is to do what? Install the MetaTrader 5 so that you can connect the both accounts together for easy trade execution. Now, how do you do that? Go to your Chrome browser. As you know, let me show you something. This is the Octa Global app, and as you know, you cannot connect this app to this MT5 here. So it has to be from the web. Now go to your Chrome browser, search for Octa FS login. Just search for Octa login or Octa FS login. So when you search for it, the first one that will appear on your screen, you can see this one here, octamarketng.com. Then click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to load the browser. Now they are going to ask you to sign in either with your Gmail or it depends on your method of registration. So click on start trading. All right, so click on sign in with Google, or if you registered with your Gmail, you can just sign in with Gmail, put your password. So I'll just click on start with Google. Then that your particular account you sign up with is the one you're going to log in with. So I will now log in with this my particular Gmail account. All right, now I have login. This is how the dashboard is. Now what are you going to do? You are going to copy your trading details to connect it to what? To MT4. Now how do you do this? You can see this place here where you have your profile. You can see this three dots here at the right hand corner. That's above or the menu. Click on this place. When you click on this place, you scroll down. Then you can see this place here, trading account. Click on the down below arrow. So when you click on it, you can see this place here, account list. Click on account list. So when you click on account list, you can see the MT4 account here. So this one is active. The rest are inactive, right? I guess they are inactive. They are deactivated. I can activate it later. So you can equally add new one. You can equally open a new one if you like. So now you see this option. You see this three dots you are seeing here. Look at MT4. Then you can see this three dots. Click on it. So now maybe you have forgotten your password. What do? You click on reset password because it's necessary. If you sign up with the application, you'll be needing to reset this password. Okay, so you come to this place here and click I'm not a robot. All right, then click on submit. So now we have sent your new password by email, which means the password you are going to use in signing in to your MT4 account has been sent to your email account. All right, so now let's go back. So now I've already received the mail. As you can see the mail logo here. It has shown. So we are going to copy it from my email. Then look at this place here. Drag by your right hand side. You see this place here, account, type, rail, server, OTFS retray. Do you understand? That's the server. Then this one here is one we're going to copy. So copy this one. This one is the login ID now. Copy it. So you can see this thing here, MT4. Then you can see this ID here. Copy it. So click to copy it. So copy it. Now we have copied it. What are we going to do? Go to your MetaTrader 4, MT4. Open it. So wait and accept. Open account. So now it's going to show you you can see this see this place here. See this look at up where they write quotes. You see the three dots there. Click on the three line dot. Then you see this option here, manage account, or you may see get started. If you see manage account or get started, click any of them. Then you see this plus icon here. Click on it to add the account. Then what are you going to do? Click on log into existing account. Click on it. Then this place here, find broker. Search for Octa. So what we are looking for is Octa FS retray. So the one they ask you to look for. The server is what? Array3. Let's check again. Let's cross check. So the server is array3. So copy, then come back. Your own may be different. Please take note. Your own may be array2. Your own may be array10. Please take note. Everyone has his own unique server and unique ID. Do you understand? So my own is array3. Then I'll click on array3. Then that login you copy, paste it. Paste it. That's the ID. The ID I asked you to copy. That's your own personal ID I asked you to copy, right? So I have pasted it now. So now what is remaining is the password they sent to us by email. So now let's go to my email and copy the password. All right. So let's go to my email and then copy the password. All right, you can see it here. Octa trading account password changed. So where is the message? So let's check the message here. So you can see it here. You can see the ID, then you can see the new password here. So you copy your own password. So when you copy it, the next thing you do is to come down to this place here. Then you paste it. Paste it. So once you paste it, you click on sign in. Click on sign in. Why is it not signing in? Boom, done. We have signed in successfully. So can you see it? We have signed in now. So that's how you connect your Octa Global to MT4 in the year 2025. And that is how you will continue to do it even in the year 2026, unless they later change the process. And if they change the process, I will still make a video on how you can still connect it into a twinkle of an eye. All right, if you like this video, if this video have helped you, if this video have solved your problem, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified with my other helpful tutorials like this. I also share business update on this channel, how to make money online, and rest of them, and tutorials. So all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. I remain Sparky.